Question number 1. Lee drew a triangle on a piece of paper. She made one side 5 inches long, another side 4 inches long, and the final side 3 inches long. What kind of triangle did she create?
Solid response. Scarlin is a valid choice.
Question number 2. If two sides of a triangle are equal, the angles opposite to these sides are dash.
Perfect. Equal is the correct choice.
Question number 3. Which triangle congruence theorem can be used to prove the triangles are congruent?
Great thinking. None is the right choice.
Question number 4. In the given figure, AB equal to AC, 8 equal to 5 cm and DC equal to 8 cm. Length of EB is?
Excellent choice. 8 cm is the right answer.
Question number 5. State if the two triangles are congruent. If they are, state how you know.
Nice work. You chose SAS and it is correct.
Question number 6. For two triangles, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, then the congruency rule is?
You got it. Your choice, Asa, is right.
Question number 7. Classify the triangle by its angle measures and its side lengths.
Smart pick. Equilateral triangle is the correct choice.
Question number 8. Which would be the best classification for the triangle shown?
You're right. Acute scalene is the correct answer.
Question number 9. In the given figure, which congruency criteria is used?
Good thinking. SAS is the right answer.
Question number 10. How many triangles in the figure are acute?
Nicely done. 2 is a solid answer.
Question number 11. Determine the relationship of the figures.
Correct response. Congruent is the most accurate answer.
Question number 12. What is the measure of the missing angle?
Exactly. 30 makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 13. Will these line segments form a triangle?
Great job. No is the accurate answer.
Question number 14. Complete the congruence statement.
Well done. Prati is the right choice.
Question number 15. In the given figure, find PM.
Bravo. 4 cm is the answer.
Question number 16. Choose the correct option.
Correct. 50 is the right answer.
Question number 17. Name the congruency criteria if given that two triangles have two corresponding sides and an included angle equal.
Good job. Your answer, SAS, works well here.
Question number 18. A triangle has side lengths of 19 centimeters, 19 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. What type of triangle is this?
You chose isosceles triangle. And it is correct.
Question number 19. Two sides of a triangle are of length 4 cm and 2.5 cm. The length of the third side of the triangle cannot be.
Strong choice. 6.5 cm is the right answer.
Question number 20. When classifying a triangle by its sides, what type of triangle has exactly two equal sides?
Excellent. Isosceles triangle is a brilliant choice.
Question number 21. Can we say number of sides equal to number of angles equal to number of vertices of triangle are equal?
Sharp thinking. Yes is the right choice.
Question number 22. Is it possible to construct a triangle with lengths of its sides 6 cm, 5 cm, and 4 cm? Well picked. Yes is the correct answer.
Question number 23. And dash angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles.
Smart move. Exterior angle is an accurate answer.
Question number 24. The point of intersection of all the three altitudes of a triangle is called.
Valid point. Orthocenter is true.
Question number 25. Two figures are dash if they are of the same shape and of the same size.
Nice selection. Congruent is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 26. A triangle has angle measures of m equal to 2x plus 10mb equal to 5x 3mc equal to 3x7. Find x.
Clear logic. Your choice 18 is sound and 100% true.
Question number 27. Which of the following is not a criterion for congruence of triangles?
Well reasoned. C is the correct choice.
Question number 28. Triangles can be congruent when sides, angles, and perimeter are equal.
Right again? No is a valid answer.
Question number 29. Inside any triangle, the sum of all the angles in degrees is always.
On track. The 80 is the correct answer.
Question number 30. A triangle in which one of the angles measures 90 degrees is called.
Right choice. Right angled is the best answer.
Question number 31. Can the following three numbers be side measures of a triangle 2, 15, 16?
You got it. Your choice yes is right.
Question number 32. Which rule will be applied if two sides and one angle are equal?
Correct. SAS is the right answer.
Question number 33. All corresponding angles in congruent figures are congruent.
Well picked. True is the correct answer.
Question number 34. A triangle ABC, AB equal to 7.8 cm, AC equal to 7 cm, and BC equal to 6 cm is dash.
Great job. Scalene triangle is the accurate answer.
Question number 35. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side.
Exactly. True makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 36. An equilateral triangle is also an acute-angled triangle.
Excellent choice. True is the right answer.
Question number 37. In a triangle, what is the sum of the interior angles? Right choice. 180 degrees is the best answer.
Question number 38. All the medians of a triangle are equal in case of a.
Well reasoned. Equilateral triangle is the correct choice.
Question number 39. Sides opposite to equal dash of a triangle are equal. Nice selection. Angles is the correct and valid answer. Question number 40. In an equilateral triangle, measure of each angle is.
Nicely done. 60 degrees is a solid answer.
Question number 41. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called.
Strong choice. Isosceles triangle is the right answer.
Question number 42. Which set of side lengths will form a triangle?
Right again. 999 is a valid answer.
Question number 43. In a right triangle, the longest side is?
You chose hypotenuse.
And it is correct.
Question number 44. A triangle have dash, vertices, and angles. Solid response. 3 is a valid choice.
Question number 45. A triangle's angles add up to dash.
Smart move. 180 degrees is an accurate answer. Question number 46. Perpendicular lines intersect at? Nice work. You chose 90 degrees and it is correct.
Question number 47. An obtuse triangle has.
Good job. Your answer A. One obtuse angle works well here.
Question number 48. A triangle has dashed sides. Excellent. 3 is a brilliant choice.
Question number 49. Matching sides are called.
Bravo. Corresponding sides is the answer.
Question number 50. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Valid point. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is true.